Hold on, this one. We gotta get out of there. How's everybody doing tonight? My name's Petersen, and it's my first time ever doing this, so I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I started writing songs about 3 years ago, and this one got a special spot in my heart. It was last summer in June. I was sitting in my upstairs bedroom window and looking out as it rained, and I started just playing along with the rain, and I wrote this line to a song, and I really liked it, and I never could finish the song until about 6 months later. I started thinking about the people in the service that are out there protecting us, and they're out there away from their families, and I started to wonder how their families might feel about being away from them and them away from their families. And that's where the words to this song came from, so I'll give her a whirl. Thanks, Dad. I don't know if that's working. Okay, we're good. It's not working. All right. Still not working. There we go. We got it now. We're ready to roll. I can hear the rain coming down. It's making that lonely sound. I'm calling your name in the dark, and I'm wondering where you are. Well, I remember when you came around. Laughter was all we found, and gray skies would turn to blue, and all I wanted was to be with you. Now these days while we're apart, I can feel you, but you're so far, and the miles that separate leave me dreaming of your face. And as the rain rolls down my window, the memories hit my heart, and as I think of you, the skies are blue, don't seem all that far. And though the miles have come between us, my love for you won't fade, 'cause in my heart you'll be here next to me every time I hear the rain. Yeah, in my heart you're right here next to me every time I hear the rain. Well, I remember that light in your eye and the fire that I felt inside. I can't forget the way that I felt in your embrace. And when I listen close, I can hear you whisper in my ear, and a chill runs down my spine, because it's only in my mind. I pray the sun is shining on you. I know the Lord will help you through, so I'll be thankful for the rain till you come back my way. And as the rain rolls down my window, the memories hit my heart, and as I think of you, the skies are blue, don't seem all that far. And though the miles have come between us, my love for you won't fade, 'cause in my heart you'll be here next to me every time I hear the rain. Yeah, in my heart you're right here next to me every time I hear the rain. As the rain rolls down, as the rain rolls down, and as the rain rolls down, I'll think of you. As the rain rolls down, as the rain rolls down, and as the rain rolls down, I'll think of you. Yeah, I'll think of you. And as the rain rolls down my window, the memories hit my heart. And as I think of you, the skies are blue, don't seem all that far. And though the miles have come between us, my love for you won't fade. 'Cause in my heart you'll be here next to me every time I hear the rain. Yeah, in my heart you're right here next to me every time I hear the rain. Every time I hear the rain. And as the rain rolls down my window, I'll think of you. Yeah, I'll think of you. Every time I hear the rain.